Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, the picture and the title is correct. Buffalo fried chicken livers. Not chicken wings, not chicken tenders, not chicken nuggets, but buffalo fried chicken livers. This is a chicken livers, y'all. It's acquired taste. Like I told y'all, I grew up in the country on a farm. We threw away nothing. And my mama used to harvest chickens every year. And we kept every part of the chicken, even the feet. Everything except the head. We even cleaned the feet and kept that. But my livers, gizzards, I love fried chicken livers, fried chicken gizzards. I eat them like popcorn. But you know, I'm going to take it up to another level. I thought about something 3 years ago. How would fried chicken livers and my famous buffalo wing sauce taste? It took us to the next level. I love liver. So let's get started here. First thing I do, I'm going to prep this liver. I want to let it hang out in my milk. I got some milk and eggs in here. I want to let it hang out a little bit. If you ever fried chicken liver in the skillet on top of the stove, fried chicken livers don't like to be fried. They like to fight back right until the end. They're not, these things are still alive to me. They like to fight back until the end. So what I do, I like to poke holes in it. Meaning they like to fight back. They like to pop, 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 pop. And that hot grease pop in your face, you will never forget it. So what I like to do, y'all, I like to poke holes in the liver and give it that grease so it don't explode. So this is what I like to do. I just like to take a little fork here or a toothpick or whatever you got. Kind of like poke them around. And this liver here, and you know, chicken liver, that's one of the cheapest things you can buy in the store. And you know, I go fishing with these too. Good catfish, baby. Chicken livers. So what I'm going to do, poke them as much as I can. I poke holes in them. Now, I got a bowl over here with milk and egg. You can use buttermilk. I'm just using regular whole milk. You use half and half if you want to, whatever you want to. I like to let it hang out in the bowl about a half an hour or so. So I'm going to mix my eggs in here. And just pour my liver right into the bowl here. Just let it kind of hang out in there a little bit. Just hang out and forget about it right there. Okay, now I'm going to make the sauce here. Now we're going to make the buffalo sauce for this while that's hanging out a little bit in the bowl. Move y'all over here a little bit so y'all can see my sauce here. All this is hot sauce. Turn this on. Put some hot sauce in there, Louisiana hot sauce, whatever hot sauce you want to use. Stick of butter. Break it in half. Stick of butter. And I like to use a little Asian garlic sauce, which is sambal. Put a little of that in there. Get a little kick. We're just going to let that melt. I don't even want it to come to a boil, y'all. Just want to let it kind of melt together there. Kind of melt together there. So we're going to let that come to the melt. We're going to let this hang out. Oh, another thing I'm going to do while we waiting on that. I'm going to bring y'all back around here. See my bag here? And now this is not dirty flour, y'all. You can clean flour for this. I'm going to put some all-purpose flour in this bag. We're going to season our flour because if I season the... I guess I should have had this open already, huh? Like I told y'all, I am not organized here. I'm retired. I forgot how to be organized in the kitchen. Hold on just a second, y'all. Let me get this bag untied here. Okay. Okay, I'll put a little flour in here. Alright. That's all we're going to need. Put this back out here. Okay. Now all I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some salt and pepper in there. Put some salt and pepper in here. cavenders in here. And some shake in there. Season the flour really good. I'm gonna shake this up because this gonna be my seasoning for my chicken livers, y'all. Move y'all back over. I got my sauces heating up here. Y'all can see what's going on here. Turn this down. And this is pretty much it, y'all. Now I'm gonna let this melt here. Now I'm gonna step off about 30 minutes, let these livers hang out in the milk here. Like I said, I like to let it hang out about a half an hour. Soaking it in milk kind of reduces the blood contents or something in it. I don't know what it is, what the scientific thing is, but it makes it don't seem so bloody or whatever to me, and that bloody taste, like whatever. But liver is liver to me. I love it, no matter what. So see how they come together so quick? That's it on the buffalo sauce. Gonna let that hang out a little bit here. We'll be back. And we'll come back and we'll have my oil on the fryer, oil on the stove getting hot, and we're gonna fry these chicken livers off, toss it in the sauce, serve it with some serve it with some blue cheese dressing. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it's back. We've been actually about 45 minutes. I had to step out and do some stuff. Okay, y'all, liver's here, hanging out right here. Look at that. Been hanging out in this milk and the egg mixture. Look at that. About almost an hour. So what I'm gonna do now, throw it in here and drain it off in my colander here in the sink. As much as possible here. Put it back in my bowl. Now, wash my hands off here. Now what we gonna do? I'm gonna put in. I got my oil heating up here. Just put them all in the. I can actually just put them all in here, y'all. Ain't gonna hurt it. Ain't gonna hurt it. All in the bag here. And we gonna shake it up, y'all. Like I do. Shake it up in there. Make sure it's all fully coated. Move y'all over here, back over to my skillet. Dry my hands off, because once you put wet hands over oil, you know what's going to happen. Okay. Now we're just going to drop it right into the grease. There we go. Good old fried chicken livers, y'all. Ain't get no better than this, huh? Like I say, they still going to pop a little. It's definitely going to stop them from popping too much, y'all. You feel them right now, just popping like popcorn. Like I say, they don't like being fried. I'll tell you one thing, they never stopped me. And my mama, I bet her whole arm just got battle scars from all them years cooking these chicken livers from us growing up. Like I say, y'all, this is just an acquired taste. This is an acquired taste, fried chicken livers. Either you love them or you hate them. There's no in between with this. Some people turn their nose up against liver. I love it. Absolutely love liver. See how it's popping right there? That's what it does. You got to be very careful. If you never cooked liver before, like I said, they like to fight back. They love to fight back here, y'all. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let them hang out here a little bit. Right before I turn them over, I'll be right back and show you the other side. Be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, now to turn these boys over here. Look at that. Look how pretty those are. Look how pretty that is, y'all. I'm telling y'all, nothing like fried chicken livers, y'all. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And like I say, be very careful, or you will get a face full of grease, y'all. They still alive. Now turn that one over. Yeah, that's over. All right. Oh man, I can't wait to get into these, y'all. Just say this is my childhood. My mama used to make these. This and fried chicken gizzards, I'm telling y'all. You never had them, you don't know what you're missing. Now, I used to eat it with ketchup. I'm eating this with, like I say, blue cheese dressing. I'm taking it to the next level. I eat this with some ketchup. Tell you. When you ain't got no money, you just gotta eat what you eat when growing up, y'all. And I still eat them. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Now I flipped them back over again because you want these very crispy, y'all. Now all I'm gonna do, turn my fire off and put them on my rack here. Like I tell y'all, do not put fried items on a paper towel. It just makes your item, whatever you fried, soggy. Do not do that. Try to invest in some type of rack. They don't have to be as big as the one I have here, because you will definitely enjoy. You go all that way trying to make something crispy, then defeat the purpose of it being soggy. Okay, we're gonna put the wings over wings. I keep saying wings, y'all. Put my chicken over here. Now remember the sauce that I made. Okay, got the sauce here. I'm gonna kind of mix it back up because it'll separate on you as it's sitting up. See that? Now all I'm gonna do is put my chicken up. They drained in there in this bowl here. Like I say, y'all can stop right now and eat them just like this. Oh yeah, you know they good just like this. Fried chicken liver just like this. And I just take it to the next level, y'all. You just go another level with these suckers. Okay. Put this over here. Now, got my bowl right there. All I'm gonna do is pour my sauce right over the top. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be some goodness. Take my spatula here to be very careful when you kind of soak that in there. You don't want to have your batter come off. Oh my God, y'all. The batter just soaking right in there. Let me get my platter. I got my platter here with the blue cheese dressing on it already. We're gonna lay that right there on that platter, y'all. You know these are too hot to eat right now. Entirely too hot to eat. How about somebody out there saying, this guy's crazy. Ain't no way I'd eat that. They say don't knock it till you try it. Don't knock it till you try it, y'all. Alright. Now all that little extra sauce there, gonna pour it right over the top just like that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. We're eating there. Now, I'm gonna step off here. Now I gotta make that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And then I'll be right back and we're gonna try these out, y'all. Old school fried buffalo chicken livers, y'all. Can't get no better. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back. Oh my God, I can't wait to dig into these. Get this little bitty one right here. Look at this, y'all. Wow. I'm telling you, if you got a party and you don't tell people what these are, just don't tell them. They're boneless fried chicken tender. They won't be able to tell the difference. I'm telling you. Try another one. See, the liver's so tender, perfectly cooked. Dipping in that buffalo sauce. Mm. 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 Look at that. I love liver. Mm. Oh wow. Absolutely amazing. Mm, mm, mm. One more, y'all. Literally, I can eat this whole plate. Mm, mm, mm. Another one. Mm. Mm. Wow. I'm in my world right now, y'all. I'm in my childhood. Give me a moment. Because the liver is so tender. Perfectly seasoned, because I seasoned the flour. And then that buffalo sauce is just elevated. And you got the creaminess of the blue cheese. You can use ranch as well. It's amazing. One more piece. I'm going to close this video out, y'all. One more piece, I'm going to close the video out. Mm, mm. One thing about me, y'all, it might separate me from a lot of YouTubers. I see this on a lot of cooking channels. A lot of people don't taste their food. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to prove to you my food is good. And eventually, in the next few months, I'm going to get my team. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this going. Hold on. Mm. Now, I can say it's good. I'm going to start getting my team members. Some of them going to be quit being camera shy. And let them taste it on camera. And let them let you know how good they are. A lot of YouTubers, cooking YouTubers, they don't taste their food at all. How do you know if it's good? Everybody ain't be done. They don't even cut into the food and see if it's done. So I'm just very apprehensive when people do that. I want to know if the food is good and really works. I don't know how people don't even cut the cake, don't even cut the pie. I don't know. But anyway, enough preaching. I got dinner to eat here in a minute. I promise y'all I can eat half a plate of these. But anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Okay, y'all, the hashtag. Y'all can write it any way you want to write it. Help others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. I see people putting helping others with a purpose, OSSF. That's fine. As long as Old School Soul Food is behind it, they gonna get the idea this year. Sometimes I say help others with a purpose on here. Sometimes I say helping others with a purpose. Same thing. Hashtag 2022. Helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.